Cappy let go of the baby swing. Oh my gosh.
Hi. Why is he doing this? And why do you have to start whenever I was climbing into the baby swing?
This is.
Gabby.
Why is he doing this? Here, I want the world to know Cappy is not stuck in it. He's grabbing it because he thinks it's a game. Oh my goodness.
How are you doing, Gabby?
He's not stuck.
Is he?
No.
Sure.
Yeah. You see, he can. I thought he was for like 2 seconds, but he can move his tooth.